Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Audible to create an audiobook, full guide step by step clearly. First, ensure you have an Audible account set up. Visit the Audible website or download the Audible app. Log in with your account credentials or create a new account. Once logged in, navigate to the Create section on the home page. Select Audiobook from the available options. Familiarize yourself with Audible's guidelines and requirements for audiobooks. Prepare your manuscript in a compatible text format. Review the recommended audio quality settings outlined by Audible. Choose a quiet space to record your audiobook to minimize background noise. Gather your recording equipment, including a quality microphone and headphones. Open your preferred recording software, such as Audacity or GarageBand. Create a new project in your recording software. Begin recording your audiobook by reading your manuscript aloud clearly. Pause between sections to allow for easy editing later. Once you've finished recording, save the audio files in the preferred format. Import your recordings into your audio editing software. Edit your recordings to remove mistakes, long pauses, and background noise. Add any necessary effects, such as compression or normalization, for sound quality. Export your final audio files in the required Audible format. Return to the Audible Create section. Upload your edited audiobook files to the Audible platform. Fill out the required metadata, including title, author, and description. Select appropriate categories and keywords to enhance discoverability. Review your audiobook submission for accuracy. Once satisfied, submit your audiobook for approval. Monitor the status of your submission in your Audible account. Prepare for the launch of your audiobook by promoting it through social media and other channels. With everything in place, enjoy your journey as an audiobook creator. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.